Hey, can a fella get a drink on credit around here?
Sorry.
I'll get us another drink. Beauty. We'll get us a drink because we're going to have a raffle.
Raffle what?
My eye! My glass eye! Well, how about who'd like to take a chance on getting a made-to-order eye?
Now, wait a minute. If you want to drink that bad, I'll buy you.
Well, thank you, sir, but you wouldn't let a man buy you a drink if you couldn't buy him one right back. Certainly not. I could tell by looking at you. All right, sports, what do you say? 50 cents a chance, just 4 bits to win a $22 eye.
Why not? I always did want a third eye.
Now, do you want to play poker or kid games?
The kid games. I'm losing money. I'm in.
Well, don't touch it now. You can look at it.
I'm in.
Touch it.
Oh, yeah.
Lay that
Brown.
Never seen
Okay, swim.
That's nice. I got 7. Well, there's 17, 18, 19, $9.50. I need one more to make it an even $10.
There it is. I want that eye.
Well, all right. Okay, let me through. Now, let's see. We need 19 little white chips and 1 blue one because the man that draws the blue chip is going to be the winner of that beautiful little eye. Now, just shake him up good there, bud. That's it. Who was the first man in?
I was.
Well, then you're entitled to the first draw. Now, dip in, and let's see who's going to be the lucky winner of that. Well, let's see who's going to win there. Get in there. What is it? This tall, good-looking gentleman. Go ahead, see what you come out with. Now, don't just stand there. Go ahead, take one. Everybody get it? Seem to be all white here. Oh, let's hold it. Hold it. This gentleman took 2 chances. You're entitled to 2 draws. Dip in and may Lady Luck smile on you. That's right. All right, let's see what happens. Hey, I got her. What are you going to do?
Give me my eye.
It's over there. It's over there.
You know, I might just have her made into a stick pin for Sunday.
Well, Ned, now how much would you take for it?
Take for. Well, I'm a keeper.
Well, I'll give you a profit. Give you $3.
No, I'll keep her for good luck.
Ah, there goes my wedding.
Huh?
Well, you see, my girl saw me with my patch once and she turned away.
You look all right to me.
Well, you just pretend you're a girl, and you can see for yourself it spoils my manly beauty. Right, boy?
That's right. Sell her back to her. All right, I'll sell her. $5.
I'll split the difference and I'll buy you a drink.
Huh?
Whiskey for the general bartender. Give me 1 and 1 for the kid. Yes. There. Here.
Hey, just a minute. Aren't you gonna put her back in again?
Put it back in. There'll be a little crowd.